This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Step into this spacious Granville model, offering over 2,000 square feet of living space, one of the largest floor plans in this sought-after 55-plus community of Cascades in Palm Beach County. Thoughtfully designed with high ceilings and a split-bedroom layout, this home provides both comfort and functionality. For those who love to entertain, this home features a formal dining room and a formal living room, in addition to the open-concept family room and eat-in kitchen, offering multiple spaces for gatherings and relaxation. The kitchen is a standout, boasting 42-inch white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, an LG refrigerator, a newer dishwasher, and a brand new disposal. Large windows fill the space with natural light while providing stunning views of the screened patio. For more information,